How to fix xlive.dll missing or not found error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Update Windows. Keeping Windows updated ensures that you have the latest system files and fixes, potentially solving the xlive.dll error. System File Checker, SFC, is a built-in Windows tool that can find and fix system file corruption, including DLL files. DISM tool can address issues that SFC can't, so you should run them both. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, Fix 3. Reinstall the game or software. When a game or software fails to run due to a missing xlive.dll file, reinstalling the application can fix the problem. This works because it allows the program to reinstall all necessary components, including any missing or corrupted DLL files. Reinstall the game or software by downloading it from the official source or installing it from the disk. Try launching the game or software again. As xlive.dll is associated with the Games for Windows Live platform, installing or reinstalling this software could solve the problem. Unfortunately, no direct downloads from Microsoft pages are available. You can use alternatives, however. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Restart your computer. Try running the game or software again. Fix 5. Perform a system restore. If all else fails, performing a system restore can bring your computer back to a point when the xlive.dll file was not missing or corrupted. Click Show More Restore Points, if available. Pick the time before the problem occurred and click Next. Follow the prompts to finish the process.